Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that edit. I usually do not shoot subjects in my videos. However, one of my old friends from high school actually reached out to me and he wanted some clips for his YouTube channel. So I went ahead and took the footage from that shoot and made the little video that you guys just watched. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give this video a like. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, please consider getting subscribed. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.